Hey everyone, welcome back to The Altruist. If you're looking to boost your health game, today's topic is a real game changer: celery. Yes, you heard it right, celery. Before we dive into the crunchy goodness of this humble vegetable, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more health-packed content. Alright, let's talk celery. Ever wondered why this vegetable is a staple in so many detox diets and wellness routines? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, celery is loaded with essential nutrients. It's a great source of vitamins K and C, not to mention potassium and folate. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining our bone health, immune system, blood pressure, and even our mood. But here's the kicker. Celery is also a superstar when it comes to hydration. Made up of about 95% water, this crunchy veggie helps you stay hydrated, which is essential for everything from your skin to your kidneys. Now, let's talk about something called antioxidants. Celery is packed with these miraculous substances that fight off the free radicals in your body. This means a reduced risk of chronic diseases and a boost in overall health. And for those of us watching our waistline, celery is your ally. It's incredibly low in calories, and because it's so fibrous, it helps you feel full longer. That's right, adding a bit of celery to your meals can help curb those cravings and support weight management. But wait, there's more. Celery also has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation and pain, which is a boon for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Now, incorporating celery into your diet is super easy. Juice it, add it to your salads, or simply munch on it as a snack. Remember, while celery can contribute to a healthy diet, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our health tips and tricks here at The Altruist. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy.